Okay, this is Hopeless Wanderer, and this is also the easy guitar version of it. We're not going to do the alternate tuning. So I am keyboard on the 3rd fret playing in G, and so we're actually in the key of B flat. And so for the beginning, you're going to be in 6/8 time. The hardest part about this song is the time signature change, and therefore strumming changes. Very, very complicated. But the more you practice it, the quicker you'll get with feeling where that goes. So at the beginning, you're in 6/8 time. So it's G, D, A minor, so this is technically an A minor 7, then E minor, D, C. Is your verse. So that's your verse. And then when you get to the pre-chorus, it goes so now you're kind of starting to take that switch and you're going to a straight down strum, but you're still in 6/8 time. Then when it gets a little deeper into the song, then it's going to switch from so now you go to a down strum only in 2/4 time, and it's very fast. Just as fast as that, you switch back to 6/8 time. So it's really quick. So again, if you need help playing that quickly, start slow, keep it steady, and gradually increase your metronome speed. Always do it with a metronome so you know you're staying exactly on beat with that. But then it just switches back and forth, so those are the main strumming patterns.